Hello everyone, this is Amber from Lucin Packaging. We are specializing in mold packaging designing and manufacturing. Today I would like to show you a new packaging. It is produced by wet pressing process and made from sugarcane paper material. We use all biodegradable material which can completely evaporate and degrade within 3 months. The color of the paper tray is the original color of the raw material because our paper tray is zero pollution, zero emission, and the wastewater can be reused. Let's look at the paper tray. One side has cast mixture and the other side is smoother. We design each product from your sample so the glue fit perfectly. Look at my hand, there are a variety of color available to choose from. If you are interested in this product and you have required, just feel free to contact us. We are offering free design survey and free sampling. Bye bye.